we can see the Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, who is here to encourage us.
जी हाँ, आप अपनी स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हैं कि हम
Sir, we have achieved soft landing on the moon. India is on the moon.
लैंडर मॉड्यूल
People are applauding.
India has now become the fourth country to land a spacecraft on the moon, but the only one to perform a soft landing on the south pole of the moon. One of the most remarkable things about this elegant moon landing was the cost at which it was done. With just 75 million US dollars, India was able to reach the moon. This accomplishment is undoubtedly at a fraction of the cost of its competitors in the space exploration industry. Whereas, if we look at the latest science fiction movies, such as Oppenheimer, they had a budget of around 100 million US dollars. Indian scientists know very well how to perform space exploration wonders on a budget. Chandrayaan-3 is the first spacecraft in the world to achieve this magnificent feat. Launched on July 14, 2023, the space probe made a historic soft landing on the lunar surface. The landing place was later renamed as Shiv Shakti Point. Throughout space history, when the south polar region of the lunar surface is hit by asteroids and comets, water and other valuable resources get trapped inside the craters. And because the sun doesn't shine there, the fragments never go away. To explore the lunar surface for new technologies required for interplanetary missions, Chandrayaan-3 was equipped with a lander module, a propulsion module, and a rover. The lander payloads consist of Chandra's surface thermophysical experiment, CHASTE, which is used to measure the temperature of the topsoil around the pole. Another crucial element, which is an instrument for lunar seismic activity, ILSA, designed to detect vibrations and tilting of the lunar surface, and for measuring the changes in gravity at the landing site. The rover includes a laser-induced breakdown spectroscopy, is an effective analytical technique that can be used to detect and characterize materials. Chandrayaan-3 initially had a mission life of 1 lunar day, which is 14 days here on the Earth. After the historic touchdown on 23rd August, the Pragyan rover was deployed on August 24 to conduct further probes into the lunar surface. From 24 August to September 4th, the rover maneuvered around the landing site and undertook vital observations in pursuit of secrets of the lunar surface at the South Pole. Throughout this time, the rover made some breakthrough discoveries that will uncover several mysteries of the moon. This is a snap of the lander Vikram taken by the Pragyan rover on August 30, while it was performing scientific experiments. On August 31, ISRO revealed several shocking findings that served the objectives of this mission. The first such event was reported on August 26th. Just 3 days after the historic touchdown of the space probe, the instrument for the lunar seismic activity had detected a significant moonquake. Quakes on the moon can happen due to several reasons. The first is an impact that, when meteoroids or asteroids hit the moon, it creates giant waves around the planet. Secondly, the gravitational forces of the Earth and Moon can clash with each other, causing tidal deformation on the Moon. The next such event occurred from the instrument Alpha Particle X-ray Spectroscope, APXS, on the Pragyan rover detected the presence of sulfur in the region through another technique. This is truly astounding because the presence of sulfur means the water ice present on the South Pole was exposed to the Moon's radiation, due to which it broke down and released sulfur. Or sulfur is usually known to be released in volcanic eruptions. So this might be a sign of a potential release recently leading to the release of sulfur. Water ice is a crucial factor for future moon missions. and we might also be able to create a permanent human colony on the moon. Meanwhile, Chandrayaan-3's Pragyan rover had successfully traveled over 100 meters by September 2, 2023. Then, on September 4th, the Pragyan rover had already accomplished all its assignments, so scientists charged its battery to the brink and decided to put the lander and the rover into sleep mode, as the night on the moon has very harsh winters and the temperature can drop -200 degrees Celsius, which is very difficult for the lander and rover to survive. All the payloads on the rover were turned off for the night, except the lander receivers, as they transmit signals to the Earth. They initially planned to wake up the lander on September 22, 2023, but scientists did not receive any signal from Chandrayaan-3. To this day, efforts have been made to establish communication, but the lander and rover did not respond to the wake-up message. Chandrayaan-3 was a significantly successful mission carried out by the Indian Space Research Organization, and it had marvelous achievements throughout its life. It revealed many wonderful secrets of the lunar planet for the first time in history, and also gave the world many lessons to learn from. Chandrayaan-3 was a special spacecraft that fulfilled all its goals in its lifespan. And will now forever rest there as India's lunar champ. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel to never miss a new video.